Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will solve exercise 4.3. Question number 1 is 3x minus 11 over x plus 3 into x square plus 1. We will resolve this given fraction into its partial fractions. As you know, the denominator having two factors. First factor is linear and the other is quadratic. So we will factorize this fraction into a over x plus 3 plus bx plus c over x square plus 1. As you know, this is linear factor, so we will write here simple a, and this is quadratic, so we will multiply 1 degree of variable with second term and plus third term will be added to this, divided by x square plus 1. This is equation 1. Now multiply this equation 1 by its LCM, which is x plus 3 into x square plus 1. We get 3x minus 11 equals to a into x square plus 1. Here x plus 3 will be cancelled out, plus bx plus c into x plus 3. Here this factor will be cancelled. Now 3x minus 11 into ax square plus a, brackets will be opened, a and bx plus c will be multiplied, and we get this equation. Now we will put x plus 3 equals to 0 by zeros method in equation I, means identity. So we get x is equals to minus 3. We write here 3 into minus 3 minus 11 equals to a into minus 3 square plus 1 plus b into minus 3 plus c into minus 3 plus 3. Minus 3 multiply 3 will be equals to minus 9 minus 11 equals to minus 3 square is 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1 will be added to this and we get 10a plus 0. This becomes 0. All this term becomes 0, so we will write here 0. Now minus 20 equals to 10a. By dividing 10 on both sides, we get a is equals to minus 2. A is minus 2. Now comparing coefficients of x square from equation this. This is the expanded equation. We will compare coefficients of x square and we get 0. Look here on the left side of equation there is no term of x square, so we will write here 0. 0 equals to a plus b. Coefficient of x square on right side is a and b, so we will write here a plus b. Now 0 is equals to minus 2. Minus 2 is the value of a, so we will put here minus 2 for a plus b. Now by shifting minus 2 on the other side, we get 2 is equals to b. Now second value of b is 2 and a is minus 2. Comparing coefficients of x, we get 3 is equals to 3b plus c. Look at this equation, expanded equation. The coefficient of x is 3 and coefficient of x are 3b and c. So we will write here 3 is equals to 3b plus c. Now we will put the value of b here and we get 3 equals to 3 into 2 plus c. Now 3 is equals to 3 2s are 6 plus c. 3 minus 6. 6 will be shifted on the left side. We get 3 minus 6 equal to c. So minus 3 is the answer of C. Now the value of C is minus 3, B is 2 and A is minus 2. We will put the values of these three supposing values as actual values and get 3x minus 11 over x plus 3 into x square plus 1 equals to minus 2 by x plus 3. Minus 2 is the value of A. So we will put here minus 2 divided by x plus 3 plus 2 into x. 2 is the value of b. So 2x minus c. C is minus 3 over x square plus 1. So these are the actual partial fractions of this given fraction.